Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome all to our lesson today. This is the second part of the lesson, adding and subtracting rational expressions. Okay, so this is the second part. Objective is to simplify a complex fraction. So here we have a complex fraction. We have to know what do I mean by a complex fraction. So a complex fraction is a rational expression that has at least one fraction in its numerator and or denominator or both. Okay, rational expression that has at least one fraction in its numerator or denominator or both of them. Example, what is a similar form of the complex fraction x over 1 over x plus 1 over y? If you see here we have 1 over x fraction plus 1 over y fraction in the denominator of the expression. So we call this a complex fraction. And starting with looking for the least common multiple of x and y to complete the addition here. So we have to find the least common multiple here, x and y, multiply x by y and multiply y by x, so you can get xy is the multiple or the least common multiple between them. Then you can complete the addition operation here. Okay, so we have here 1 over x times y over y to get xy in the denominator, and plus 1 over y times x over x to get yx in the denominator. So we have here x over, so y times 1 is equal y, and x times y is equal xy, plus 1 times x is equal to x, and y times x is equal xy. So now we have a common multiple or denominator, so we can complete the addition. Y plus x over xy, y plus x over xy. Now we have x divided by the fraction or the rational x, y plus x over xy. So we have x divided by y plus x over xy. Then we can change the division operation to multiplication and swap this expression, swap y plus x with xy to get x times xy over y plus x. If you see, we change the position of xy and y plus x because we change the operation from division to multiplication. So we will get x times x square y over y plus x, and this is the simplest form of the operation or of the rational expressions. Now to find the restrictions, x should not be equal 0 or y should not be equal to 0, and also x should not be equal negative y, because if these satisfied, so we will get fraction over 0 undefined. Okay, so they should be excluded, and we get x is not equal 0 from this expression, y 1 over x, and we get y is not equal 0 also in this expression, 1 over y, and we get x is not equal to negative y or to from the expression y plus x, because if x is equal negative y, so negative y plus negative y minus y, so we will get 0 here in the denominator, and it's not allowed to be 0, will be undefined. Now we have another example. What is a similar form of the complex fraction? Here we have fractions on both in numerator and denominator, so we call it complex fraction. 1 over x plus xy, x over y divided by 1 over y plus 1. So we have to find the addition operation between the two expressions here, then starting to find the least common multiple between them, between 1 over x plus x over y, and also the least common multiple between 1 over y plus 1. Okay, so we have to find the least common multiple between them. Now starting with 1 over x plus x over y, to find the least common factor between x and y should be multiplied by y, and this should be multiplied by x to get xy, the least common multiple between them. Then 1 times y is equal y, and x times x is equal x squared over xy for both sides. Also for 1 over y plus 1, to find the least common multiple between 1 and y, multiply this part by y over y, just. So we have 1 over y plus y over y, then we can complete the addition 1 plus y over y. Okay, you see here we have 1 times y is equal y, and x times x is equal x squared over y times xy, and here we have 1 plus y over y. So this rational expression divided by this rational expression. So we have y plus x squared over xy divided by 1 plus y over y. Now change the operation from division to multiplication, and swap the position, or swap the numerator and denominator of the second expression, so we will get y over 1 plus y instead of 1 plus y over y. Now we can summarize the common factors between y and xy, then we will get the simplest form of the expression. Okay, so we have here y, and here we have y. So if we summarize them, we will get just x, and then we have in the denominator x times 1 plus y, x times 1 x, and x times y xy. So we will get in the denominator x plus xy, and for the numerator we have just y plus x squared, and this is the simplest form. We cannot simplify them anymore. So what about the restrictions? Go back to the main expression. We will get x is not equal to 0, and we will get y is not equal to 0, should be excluded from the domain of the expression. This is the end of our lesson today. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you.